Students, today we are going to learn about Dobereiner Strat. So Dobereiner was the German scientist who found the relation between the properties of elements and atomic masses. So as per Dobereiner Strat, when chemically similar elements are arranged in group of three elements called triads, group of three elements called triads in the increasing order of their atomic masses, then arithmetic mean of first and third element is approximately equal to atomic mass of middle element. Let's explain this statement with an example. Lithium is an element. So after lithium there are beryllium, boron, nitrogen, carbon, oxygen, these elements, but these are not chemically similar with lithium. So after lithium, sodium is chemically similar with lithium. After sodium, again there are magnesium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, these elements, but after sodium, potassium is chemically similar with sodium, because when chemically similar elements are arranged in the group of three, so these are chemically similar elements. And now atomic masses. So atomic mass of lithium is 6.9, atomic mass of sodium is 23, and atomic mass of potassium is 39.1. So these elements are now arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses. Increasing order of their atomic masses. Now these elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses. So now as per this law, arithmetic mean of first and third element. So lithium is first element and potassium is third element. So arithmetic mean of first and third element is approximately equal to atomic mass of middle element. So what is the arithmetic mean of lithium and potassium? Arithmetic mean of lithium and potassium. So arithmetic mean of lithium and potassium is 6.9 plus 39.1 upon 2. Now 9 plus 1 0, 10 carry 1, 10 plus 6 carry 1, 46.0, means it is 46.0 means 46 upon 2. So 46 upon 2 is 23. So this arithmetic mean is 23 and it is approximately equal to atomic mass of middle element. Now let's see one more example of Dobereiner Strat. Consider a triad calcium having atomic mass 40.1. Atomic mass of calcium is 40.1. Then next element is strontium, which is chemically similar to calcium, strontium, and its atomic mass is 87.6. And then next element is barium, whose atomic mass is 137.3. So these are three elements. These three elements are chemically similar, and now these elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses. So now what is the arithmetic mean of first and third element? Now calcium and barium is first and calcium and barium are first and third elements. So arithmetic mean of calcium and barium 40.1, then third element is barium, plus 137.3 upon 2. 1 plus 3 4, 7 plus 0 7, 3 plus 4 7, and 1 upon 2. 2 8s are 16, carry 1, 7, 2 8s are 16, carry 1, 0.4, 2 7s are 14. So arithmetic mean of calcium and barium is 88.7, and this 88.7 is not exactly equal to strontium, that is 87.6, but it is approximately equal to strontium, that is 87.6. Thus calcium, strontium and barium is the Dobereiner's triad. Now let's see whether the group of these three elements, magnesium, calcium and strontium, is Dobereiner triad or not. Now atomic masses of magnesium is 24.3, calcium is 40.1 and strontium is 87.6. So to decide whether the group of these three elements is Dobereiner triad or not, let us find the arithmetic mean of first and third element. So arithmetic mean of magnesium and strontium 24.3 plus atomic mass of magnesium is 24.3 and strontium is 87.6 divided by 2. 3 plus 6 9, 7 plus 4 11, carry 1 divided by 2. Now 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18 and 2 5s are. So arithmetic mean of magnesium and strontium is 55.95. So which is not equal to atomic mass of calcium. So atomic mass of calcium is 40.1 and arithmetic mean of first and third element is 55.95. Thus the group of magnesium, calcium and strontium is not Dobereiner triad.